Welcome guys, today I have for you a Parker-Majestic Model B IED grinder. This machine is wired for 220 volts and we'll just get into it, starting off with our variable headstock right here. As you can see, we do have our control unit right here. It isn't mounted at the moment. You'll need to go ahead and put it up against the wall or something. So that's why we're going to start off with this first. If you go ahead and press enter and hold down our start button for a couple seconds, the head will start rotating. Just give it 1 second. Wrong setting. There you go. So as I said, it is variable, so you can change the parameters in here and get the right speed that you want. So I'll go ahead and lay that down right there. You also do have a forward, reverse, and jog settings as well on this. So as that's going, go ahead and mention our DRO. Our DRO is for our head right here, as you can see. And on the hand wheel, you do have our adjustment dial. So it could give you an idea of where you're going and park at a 0 for the end of your travel. Just like that. And then over here, we do have the hand wheel for the table. Just give me 1 second, pop that up. Once you open this, you're able to move this freely. So for example, you could go ahead and grab your part, and then when you're ready, you could just slide it on over and you're ready to have the table automatically go back and forth. So we'll get right into it, starting off with the table. Our variable for the table is going to be right down here. So we can bring it down to 0 or almost 0, or all the way up just like that. And then next you have our spindle. So this is a primarily manual machine when you start feeding down. And that's essentially it. So when you're done with your grinding, you'll go ahead, stop that, open that up, and you could go ahead and grab your part. Obviously, you'll go ahead and press the stop button on this so that won't go anymore. And that's essentially it. The last button right down there is for coolant, which isn't provided with this machine. So again, this is going to be the Parker-Majestic Model B, wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.